Hello everyone, this time I'm going to show you this. So let's check the speeds first. Write speed around for 396 megabytes per second. Reading speeds around 546 megabytes per second. 300, almost 400 megabytes writing speed, and almost 500 megabytes reading speed. I'm using Mac OS, the first video Mac OS Mojave, this time Mac OS X0 with the same setup with two SSDs. A write stripped setup. And let's check. It's a little bit better and a little bit better, or even better if you wish to. Almost 520 megabytes per second reading speed, and 382 megabytes with 3 megabytes per second. And you can check this. So I hope you enjoy it. This is on the same MacBook Pro Mid2009. I got 8 gigs of RAM, and hope you like it. Cheers.